12 things parents can do to prevent addiction. It's our job to protect our kids and keep them safe. We hold them close as they get their first shots, teach them to look both ways before crossing the street, and help them develop healthy habits. We know that keeping children safe from addiction is also a high priority. Here are 12 things parents can do to protect teens from addiction. Number 1. Talk early and often. Children whose parents talk to them about the risks of drugs and alcohol use are 50% less likely to use substances. It's important for teens to delay substance use until their brain is fully developed. The adolescent brain doesn't fully develop until age 22 for girls and 25 for boys. It can develop an addiction more quickly during this time and be damaged more easily than the adult brain. 90% of people with an addiction began using before the age of 18. If your family has a history of addiction, you can discuss this with your child. Stress the need to be more cautious. A genetic predisposition can make a person more susceptible to addiction, especially if use begins early. Number 2. Support healthy activities. 2 of the key factors that reduce the risk of kids developing addictions are healthy attachment and pro-social engagement, which means feeling like you belong and being engaged in positive activities, whether it's sports, music, drama, volunteering, or STEM. Kids do better when they are kept busy and feel part of a healthy community. Number 3. Set clear expectations. Be clear with your child that you expect them not to use alcohol or drugs. More than 80% of kids say their parents are the biggest influence on their decision to drink or not drink alcohol. Number 4. Practice refusal skills. Practice key messaging that your child can use in risky situations, such as, "No, I'm the designated..."
Hi again, and welcome back to ReHealth's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at, is drug addiction curable? If you like our content and would like to continue to support us in our mission, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification button so that you never miss a video. Without further ado, let's get on to today's video topic. Is drug addiction curable? Can you ever stop having a substance abuse disorder? It's very common for people who are caught in a web of drug dependency to wish they could be cured of their addictions. However, this mindset alone shows a lack of understanding about the true nature of addiction as a chronic disease. Things can get tricky when we start to use the word cured when discussing addiction, because people can begin to let their guard down. The truth is that there is no cure for the chronic disease of addiction. Like a person with heart disease or diabetes, a person with addiction can't necessarily say that they have cured their illness, even if it's been decades since they've had a relapse. However, they can enjoy a long, consistent recovery that lasts for the rest of their life. Substance abuse treatment aims to counteract the disruptive effects of addiction on a person's brain and behavior to help them regain control over their life. This is a progressive, lifelong treatment plan. Recovery hasn't failed just because a person is relapsed. Relapses are part of the recovery process, the same way that a person with diabetes having a diabetic episode doesn't mean that a treatment regime needs to end. A person